it's Mierka, and so it's been a long time. I think it's been like a month or 2 months since I uploaded my last video, and I always go missing for like an extended period of time, but now it's summer and it's time. And I graduated from college, so I don't really have that much responsibilities until August 20th when I have to go back to school for grad school. So I'm really free, and I just came back from Fanime, and this video is kind of just like an update video of where I've been, what I have been doing, and what's to come. So as I mentioned, I graduated college for speech language pathology, and I'm attending grad school in August 20th. And because it was so busy the last year of college, I haven't really been making a lot of videos, and if I do, it's not a ton. And of course, the reason being is I've been focusing on my studies. But now that it's finished and I don't really have to apply to anything at the moment, I am ready to start filming and making videos again. And that's kind of to announce that this week, hopefully I'm uploading this on Tuesday, the Tuesday after Memorial Day, if I don't get too tired. But for this, I went to Fanime 2019 recently and filmed a vlog there. I am filming a haul after this video, so those vlogs and the haul will all be released of this week. The haul most likely will be released on either Wednesday or Thursday, hopefully at that time, and then that following day, like the Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I'll be releasing the vlogs for Fanime, and I hope you guys watch that when it comes out. And I had a really great time at Fanime this year, and it's like I'm genuinely really happy because the past few years I haven't been that happy at Fanime, especially last year. I was not feeling that well that year, so it really made it up, and I think the reason being is because I was just stressed out last year about different things, and I'm just really happy this year. And I dressed up as Nejihado for the first time, and that cosplay really gave me a lot of confidence, and I guess it's been really good to take a break from cosplay. But yeah, this is my short update video on those videos that are coming out. Hopefully as the summer rolls in, I have a lot of videos planned out, and I need to like tons of DIYs that I'm really excited to film, because I've had the ideas back when I was still studying, but like sometimes I'll be like, oh, this is a really good video idea for it. So yeah, that is my short kind of update video on it, and I have a lot of plans for the summer, and I might make videos on that because I'm going to a Hugh Jackman concert and a Try Guys concert also, so maybe I'll make some kind of videos on that one as well. So with that, thank you so much you guys for watching, and if you've been a long subscriber, thank you so much for bearing with me. I know I haven't made a video in so long, and I always say it's because of school, but for now, for 3 months, I have no worries and nothing to apply to. So thank you again for watching videos, and hope you stay tuned for the videos that are coming out. So with that, thank you so much you guys, and see you next time. Bye!